In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your files with ease by creating a folder in Google Drive. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through each step to help you get organized using this powerful tool. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering drive.google.com in the search bar. Once you've arrived at Google Drive, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can see all your files and folders if you already have them. If it's your first time here, your screen will look relatively clean and ready to be filled with your data. Now, let's create a new folder to help organize your files. On the left hand side of your screen, you should see a button labeled Plus New. Click on this button, which will bring up a small menu of options for what you can create or upload. From this menu, select New Folder. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name your new folder. Think about a name that best describes the content you plan to store in it, something specific enough to quickly jog your memory later. Once you've got the perfect name typed in, hit Create, and voila, you've just made your very own Google Drive folder. With your folder in place, you're ready to start adding files. If you've got your files handy, you can simply drag and drop them directly into the folder. This is a quick and easy way to upload, especially if you're dealing with multiple files at once. Alternatively, if you prefer to upload files individually, you can open your new folder by double-clicking on it. Inside, click on the plus new button again and select File Upload this time. This option lets you browse through your computer's directory to find and upload the specific files you need directly into this folder. Now, you might want to share this folder with colleagues, friends, or family. To do so, right-click on the folder itself. A context menu will pop up, and here you should see the Share option. Click it and you'll be presented with a new dialog box where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. If you're looking to share with many people or simply want a quick and easy way, consider using a shareable link instead. Once you've decided who to share with, it's important to select the appropriate access level. You can choose between Viewer, which allows them to see the files, Commenter, which enables them to add comments but not edit, and Editor, which gives them permission to make changes. After setting the desired access level, finalize everything by clicking Send if you're sharing via email or copy link if you're using the shareable link functionality. And there you have it, you've successfully created, organized, and shared a folder in Google Drive. With these steps, you're now equipped to manage your digital files more efficiently and collaborate effectively with others. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your files organized.